Hello besties, welcome back to Skin Talk with Buki. Today I am showing you on how to safely use alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid together in a routine. Yes, it is very possible and it's super amazing for that glowing youthful appearance. For who? For my melanin-rich aging skin. If you have ever struggled with dark spots, dullness, or fine lines, this is the routine, besties. This is the routine you need. Besties, using alpha hydroxy acid, which is AHA for short, and beta hydroxy acid, BHA for short, depending on how, for those who know it by the abbreviated names. Using these two chemical exfoliants together can be really effective for melanin-rich aging skin, but it needs to be done carefully to avoid irritation, overexfoliation, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which melanin-rich skin is more prone to. Here is a safe and effective way to use them together, but before I dive into that, the question is, why both acids together? Why both acids together, really? Yeah. Why both acids together? Why can't we use just one? So stay with me. I'm going to explain why you need to use both together to get that youthful, glowing skin appearance. Why you use both chemical exfoliants together, it's because of their unique anti-aging properties and functions in boosting skin glow for that youthful appearance. That is the main reason why I use both together. Let's take a look at alpha hydroxy acid, AHA for short. It is water soluble. That's the physical property. It is water soluble, the likes of glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and lactic acid. These are the family of alpha hydroxy acid. They are water soluble, which means they work on the surface of your skin, right, to brighten dull skin, fades dark spots, and softens fine lines. So if you have all that already on the surface of your skin, alpha hydroxy will help you with that. While beta hydroxy acid, the BHA for short, is oil soluble. These are the likes of the salicylic acid. You see that mostly on either facial wash for those who are acne prone skin. So the salicylic acid is the family of beta hydroxy acid. This is what is oil soluble that has the high penetrating power. It penetrates deep into your pores. This does not work on the surface. It goes down your pores to clear congested pores, reduces breakouts, and calms inflammation. So that's the function of that one. It just goes down to do that job. So they both work in synergy to bring out that youthful glow. And a youthful skin appearance is a smoother skin texture. So all these two acids will help you refine your skin texture to be more smoother, brighter, with a glowing skin appearance. So that is why these two are really important. You need to use them. How do you use these two? Because you need to be very careful. They can be irritating if you don't know the concentration or how to use them in your routine together. So, and that's why I'm here today, to put you through how you can use them together to get that beautiful skin glow. Now, how to layer alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid together in a routine. So besties, here is how you can safely use both together in a routine for that youthful glow. It's a night routine thing. Nights, you only use these two acids together in the night. You don't use it daytime. So it's your night routine. So the very first step at night is your base, which is what? Your cleanser, which must be what? A gentle, non-stripping cleanser. And your second step is a toner. It's optional, but must be hydrating or soothing. It shouldn't be an acidic toner. So for those who are used to using toner, make sure that toner should be non-acidic, must be an hydrating toner, if at all. But it is an optional step. It is not a must. I don't use toner in my routine. So if you are not using a toner, your second step after cleansing will be the exfoliation step, which has to be done one night a week to start with. 1 night a week, you use your chemical exfoliant to start with. For the first 2 weeks, use your chemical exfoliant just 1 night a week. You could choose a product that already combines alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid together. And please, bestie, look out for this concentration of these two acids. So if you are getting a product that has the combination of alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid together. For alpha hydroxy acid, it could be glycolic acid, it could be mandelic acid, it could be lactic acid. Their concentration for glycolic acid, it should be 5 to 10%. While for beta hydroxy acid, which is usually written as salicylic acid, should be between 1 to 2% concentration. How do you know this? You can know this, besties. This you can tell by checking the ingredient list section, mostly written in a separate section from the other ingredients listed, titled. And it's retitled active ingredients with their percentage levels. Product example here for product containing both acids together in a formulation. You could go for the Garnier Skin Active Alpha Hydroxy Acid, Beta Hydroxy Acid Charcoal Anti-Blemish Serum. Or you could also go for this Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Beta Hydroxy Acid and Alpha Hydroxy Acid Salicylic Serum. Or you could go for the My Alpha Hydroxy Acid, Beta Hydroxy Acid, Polyhydroxy Acid 30-day Miracle Serum. This is how this one comes. It combines all the other three acids together. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then you apply your alpha hydroxy acid. For your alpha hydroxy acid that you want to apply after you apply your beta hydroxy acid, right? This is the area of those who have it individually. You have your alpha hydroxy acid serum separate, and you also have your beta hydroxy acid serum separate. You have applied your beta hydroxy acid first, like I said, that goes in first. All right, beta hydroxy acid must go in first. So for your alpha hydroxy acid that is going to go in after 2 minutes of application of beta hydroxy acid, make sure that this alpha hydroxy, for instance, if your own alpha hydroxy acid you have, which is mandelic acid, make sure it's a percentage 8% concentration, 8%, or if it is lactic acid, make sure it is 5%. These percentages are they are crucial. One, you don't want to irritate. These are comfortable, safe usage rates of these different forms of acid. So your third step, actually, if you are not using a toner, it will be your third step. But if you are incorporating toner before you exfoliate, it will be your fourth step. Whichever way, the next step after your application of beta hydroxy acid serum and alpha hydroxy acid serum is to support your skin barrier. It is necessary. These are acids, so you need to balance your skin pH level back, all right, by using hydrating serum, at the same time strengthening your skin barrier. Use a hydrating serum such as hyaluronic acid serum, peptides, or niacinamide serum to strengthen skin barrier. So that's the business that you need to do after you exfoliate. Then the next step is your moisturizer. After you apply your hydrating serum, you need to seal up the moisture using a moisturizer. Make sure your moisturizer is a rich but lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration. That's the main purpose of that step. And your last step, which is sunscreen. This has to be not at night. I'm just telling you this. The next morning, you need to. Your last step at night ends with moisturizer to lock in moisture. So when you've done that at night, you are good to go to bed. But make sure that the next day in the morning, please, the use of sunscreen is very, very crucial. It is non-negotiable because alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid increases your skin's sensitivity to the sun. So if you are not applying sunscreen the next day, the next morning, you're only setting your skin for hyperpigmentation to set in. So therefore, besties, you need to apply your sunscreen in the morning. And without SPFs, pigmentation can worsen on your skin. And we don't want that. The reason why we are using this exfoliant is for us to have a youthful, glow skin appearance. We don't want pigmentation. All right. And even when you have a pigmentation, all this chemical exfoliant will help you get rid of pigmentation, will help you get rid of things that makes your skin really look dull. All right. But you can't achieve that without wearing sunscreen the next day. in the morning, the daytime, you need to wear your sunscreen. Now for your morning after, that is the next day in the morning, what do? Your first step should be hydrating cleanser, just like the one you used the night before. Your cleanser must be hydrating. You cleanse your face with hydrating cleanser, and then you apply your vitamin C serum for protection. You apply vitamin C serum for your antioxidant protection for mopping up free radicals. That is in the morning, and then you apply your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. So in the morning, these are the basic things you do. If you have used chemical exfoliant at night, in the morning, make sure you cleanse your face with your hydrating cleanser. You apply your antioxidant, which is the vitamin C serum. Then you apply your moisturizer and then your sunscreen, and then you're good to go. Vitamin C application is optional if you want to, really, because you've had enough to be done on your skin the night before. But really, if you'd ask me, the day you exfoliate using your chemical exfoliant at night, the following morning you can skip your antioxidant. Just apply your hydrating cleanser, cleanse your face, apply your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. All right, and you apply your sunscreen, you are good to go. You don't want to do too many of acids. You use acid the night before, which is your chemical exfoliant. Then your vitamin C is another kind of acidic serum. If you want to just give your skin that breathing space, let your skin breathe off acids, you can skip vitamin C serum in the morning. Just cleanse, moisturize, and apply your sunscreen. Just 3 steps routine, and you can go. Yes, good to go for the day. Your sunscreen must be SPF 50. I don't need to, and this cannot be overemphasized. You know that already if you've been following my video. So that's about it. So the night that you are not using chemical exfoliants, the morning you can now use your vitamin C serum. You can incorporate the vitamin C serum. All right. So these are the way you check and balance your skin barrier. All right. You don't do too much of the acids. Give some breathing space for your skin to at least even readjust to breathe. You don't want to just be bombarded in with acids. All right. I hope you get this. You get this trick, besties. The night. Let me recap again. The night that you have used your chemical exfoliant, beta-hydroxy acid, alpha hydroxy acid to exfoliate, the next morning you can skip vitamin C serum. Is that your antioxidant? You should actually apply it in the morning, right? You can skip it. Just cleanse, moisturize, and apply your sunscreen. But the other nights that you are not exfoliating with chemical exfoliants, in the morning, you can incorporate your vitamin C back into your routine. So you cleanse, you apply your antioxidant vitamin C serum, you apply your moisturizer, and you apply your sunscreen. Then you are good to go. Remember, you only exfoliate only once at night for a start. So those nights that you are not exfoliating with chemical exfoliant, in the morning, incorporate your vitamin C serum. That way, you check and balance your skin's pH, allow the skin breathe off acids, rest from the acid application that you use at night, because vitamin C serum is also acidic. All right, so that's it, besties. So besties, if you have found this routine helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a glow boost. And don't forget, besties, healthy skin is ageless skin. Until my next episode, besties, thank you all for staying tuned to watch this video. Bye for now.